Hi viewers, this is Engineer Mazhar Abbas with today a new topic. What is difference between ordinary Portland cement and sulfate resistant cement? Viewers, before going to start my video, I request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit bell icon so that you can get notification whenever I upload any video. Viewers, today our topic is regarding cement. There are various type of cement, but today we will discuss ordinary Portland cement and sulfate resistant cement. Viewers, ordinary Portland cement, which is commonly called OPC. OPC is most common type of cement generally used around the world. This cement is widely used in high-rise building, dams, bridges, etc. Because normally in all type of construction, the cement used is OPC. Now, sulfate resistant cement, which is commonly called SRC, on sites on normally on batching plant we call it SRC. SRC is a type of OPC. Basically, it is a type of OPC in which amount of tricalcium aluminate is restricted to 5%. It is used where the concrete is direct contact with high sulfate content. Where in any place where there is a chance of sulfate, we cannot use OPC here. We cannot use OPC or any other type of slag cement or any other type of cement there, because sulfate attack on concrete and damage concrete. So we need to use SRC, sulfate resistant cement. Sulfate resistant cement has ability to resist against sulfate attack. So SRC is used where sulfate content is present. Viewers, now come to the strength. OPC strength is higher than SRC because in SRC tricalcium aluminate amount is less than OPC. So if we talk about strength, OPC strength normally a grade of cement 33 grade of cement OPC, it has 7500 psi strength, but SRC its strength is 5200 psi on same grade. So it's mean the strength of OPC is higher than strength of SRC. Now come to its uses. In all type of structure we can use OPC: high rise building, dams, drainage wall, foundation, etc. You can use OPC anywhere, all structures, all type of structures. But viewers, you cannot use OPC where sulfate is present. So we can use SRC where sulfate is present. Now where sulfate can be found normally in foundations, piles, or canal lines, all type of structure that exist below ground level. uh, we use SRC there because in these type of structure sulfate can be present. Now come to the price. Where OPC price is less than SRC because it is not commonly available. You can get SRC on demand. You can demand to purchaser, then you can get SRC, but OPC is commonly available, so its price is less than SRC, less price and higher price. Viewers, you cannot use SRC in your home for or any other purpose or for any other repairing work because its strength is very low. Its strength is lower than OPC. So only you can use SRC where there is sulfate content present. And how you can check that there is sulfate content is present or not? You can test soil. You can send soil sample to laboratory, and after testing you will find is there sulfate content present or not. If present, then use SRC. Viewers, hope that you like my video. Please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon so that you can get my notification. Thank you.